Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms. I'm Mary Lou Classy.
And I'm Jazz Vorlich, and today we will talk about the email, phone, and address form fields. Desk Director Forms allows you to ask various types of questions to get various types of information from the customer.
These question types are called form fields, and you can use them to customize and tailor your service request forms to fit your business needs. In this video, we will cover the email, phone, and address fields. The email, phone, and address form fields are perfect for extracting contact details from users. They are fit for purpose and allow the tech organization to get in touch with the user in an efficient manner if they need to contact them in regards to their issue. Let's look at them in action.
The email field has HTML5 email input validation, so users are prompted to input only valid email addresses. You can limit input to a single email entry, or you can allow for multiple entries up to 8 emails.
Similarly, the phone field validates user input so that only valid phone numbers are entered. You can preset the country calling code and allow up to 8 entries.
The address input has Google autocomplete support to make it easier for users to input the correct address. You can specify which country Google will provide suggestions from and set the language for input.
And that's how to use the phone, email, and address field types when making forms in Desk Director.
They are very useful for getting accurate contact information from your users.
Good luck using them in your own forms, and see you next time for another Fun with Forms.